Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Thursday, November 14th, 2024. I'm Reese.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Camden.
And I'm Delilah.
What's for lunch, Delilah?
First choice pancakes with sausage and hash browns. Second choice sun butter and jelly with yogurt and graham crackers. There is no third choice.
We have one Eastern Star birthday today. Happy birthday to Noah in Mrs. LeBlanc's class. We hope you have a great day, Noah.
What's the weather going to be like, Reese?
Showers continuing in the afternoon. High of 49 degrees with winds 5 to 10 miles per hour and a chance of 70% rain.
Chance of rain?
Yeah.
And it happens to be raining at the moment. So I would say that there's a 100% chance of rain because it's happening. Hopefully it'll stop for recess. We have a shout out from Penny.
Penny and Miss Nelson's class would like to give a shout out to the announcements crew.
What? That's a shout out to us. Thank you so much, Penny.
Brindley would like to give
Hold on, we'll go one person at a time.
Brindley would like to give a shout out to Sage for not giving up when she was asked to try something.
Mrs. Luberry would like to give a shout out to Elias, Ava, and Marlo in 4th grade for the very kind notes they shared with their class, or they shared with her on World Kindness Day yesterday.
And we have a word of the day, don't we? All right, what is our word of the day today?
Today the word of the day is longing, which means desiring for something.
And we've been talking about how could we use this word in a sentence, and there's lots of different ways, I guess, but what did you come up with?
I long for the weekend.
Oh, okay, so same word, just a different form of the same word. So I long for the weekend. And what's interesting about most words, the more you say them and the more you concentrate on them, the stranger they sound. We've just been saying longing a lot this morning, and I mean, if you say the same word over and over, it gets a little weird sometimes. But we have a couple of things to show you that were brought in by students. And now, this is from Emery and Sutton in Mrs. Edwardson's class. And yesterday, when they brought this leaf in, let's just say that it looked a lot bigger. But apparently it doesn't take very long for leaves to dry out and curl up. When they brought it in to me, it was nice and flat and big. And now when I try to make it big, it's gonna crumple. That's what happens, I guess, to leaves. But they said it was even bigger than Mrs. Edwardson's hand. I think it's falling apart, but it was really cool. But that's what happens to leaves. And then here, this is from Theo and Phoenix. They found a feather on the playground. A black one. What do you think this is from?
A crow, maybe?
A crow? Maybe?
It looks plastic.
Yeah.
Like a crow.
Crow? Yeah. So I'm going to end up putting this back outside so that, well, because actually it's interestingly then it is prohibited to collect feathers. So if a feather comes into me, I'm going to show it on the announcements, and then we're going to put it back outside so I'm not collecting feathers that I'm not supposed to be collecting. Let's check something out over here. Today in my homeroom, 5th graders, ouch, feet just need me in the quadricep. I think that was paybacks because I told her to do a bunch of squats. And now her legs are sore, so she decided to knee me in mine. Anyway, what I was saying was, today we are going to harvest our lettuce. And we're going to have a salad party. Look how much this has grown up. I don't know if you remember, but these were just seeds just a few weeks ago. So lots of great growth here, and we're going to have a salad party. But while we're here, we might as well feed the fishies. All right, they're ready for you, Camden. Sprinkle some in there. I'm gonna get it over here a little bit, not so much in that plastic. I know there's a big reflection. Here, hold on. Let me come up in here and try to get it so you can see. No, sorry. You're fine. And there you have it. Fish eating in the morning. Wasn't one of our vocabulary words satisfying? Because some people say that is a satisfying thing to see those fish eat and hear the sounds of them eating. Where are we at, morning crew? I was hoping that some 5th graders would send you off, but oh, here they come.
Ow.
All right. It's Thursday. That's all for today.
Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star.
Have a thankful Thursday and please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.